Hi, I'm Catelyn Herman. I'm with Asa Abloy Rockwood Products, and today I want to take this opportunity to show you some new products that we just launched that I think will be pretty meaningful to you. Rockwood's been in business making door pulls for over 70 years, and one of the things that means so much to us is that as your needs change, we can create products that meet those new needs. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the 4 new pulls that we launched, all hands-free pulls. The first one up is the AP1007. This is a pull plate combo. Comes with a plate 4x16 with rounded corners. You can adjust this plate size if you need to. It has a pull that extrudes out and features a really nice notch that accepts your arm pretty comfortably. So typically we usually go up and grab a pull with our hands. This invites comfort to be able to use your arm. If you have an existing pull plate combo in your door, you can take that down and put this up as a replacement. This product's going to come with a sticker as well. This sticker shows you how to use it, so we recommend applying it near the product so if somebody's walking up, they know what to do if they're a little confused. So that's the AP1007. Another product we launched is the AP1140. This is more common in retrofit applications. It has a 2-inch back base plate, and it can be applied to the door with the existing pull still on it. So you can just put it above the door pull or around it so that you're able to get your arm in as well and get comfortably behind there to pull the door open. This has an 1.5-inch wide plate that comes out. Similar to that, but a little bit different in looks, is the AP1141. So it also has that 2-inch back plate. Again, you can be applying it the same with retrofit. You go a little bit further in. And it's going to go from 1.5 inches down to 3/4 inch. So really the difference between these two is just the appearance coming out of the front. Both of these products come with a sticker as well that you can apply close to them that advises how to best use this product and help keep the spread of germs away. Another product that we launched, not necessarily for your arms, it's giving you another option. It's a foot pull. So it's going to come with a through bolt mounting. There are teeth at the top. They are rounded down, so it gives you a grip, but not that sharp. So there's 2 ways to use this pull. You can use it with your foot on the top and pulling the door open, or you can put your toes underneath of it a little bit and pull it open. So this is going to go on the bottom of your door, the free end. And this also comes with a sticker, but this sticker is going to feature a big red arrow that tells you to look down, and it shows you both ways that you can use this product. This is the AP1230. So again, there's 4 new pulls, 3 for your arms, 1 for your foot, the AP1007, AP1140, AP1141, and then your foot pull, the AP1230. So I hope that you find these products useful. We are thinking of you, and we wish you all the best during these times. Take care, everyone.